Hey everybody! Welcome to Newborn Hacks, your go-to guide for navigating the exciting yet challenging journey of parenthood. Are you a brand new parent trying to figure out the best ways to care for your newborn? Maybe you're feeling a mix of joy and anxiety, wondering if you're doing everything right? Feeling a little overwhelmed? You know, like when you order a salad and they forget the croutons? Except this time, it's not just a salad, it's your precious little one. That's a little overwhelming, right? But this is a whole other level. The stakes are higher and the pressure is real. Sleepless nights, constant diaper changes. We've all been there. It's like running a marathon without any training. Don't worry, you're not alone. Every parent has faced these challenges, and there's a whole community out there ready to support you. In this video, I'm sharing 10 practical hacks every new parent should know to make those first few weeks a little smoother. From feeding tips to sleep strategies, we've got you covered. Stick around because by the end, you'll be a pro. You'll gain the confidence to handle any situation that comes your way. You'll be giving advice to other parents. You'll write a book. Okay, maybe not a book, but you'll definitely have some wisdom to share. Okay, maybe not, but you'll feel more confident, and that's what matters. Confidence is key in this journey, and we're here to help you build it. Okay, first up, swaddling. It's an age-old technique that has been used for centuries to help babies feel secure and sleep better. Imagine being back in your cozy little bed, before you had to pay bills and worry about mortgages. That sense of comfort and security is exactly what a swaddle provides for your baby. That's what a swaddle feels like for your baby. It's like a warm, gentle hug that helps them feel safe and sound. It mimics the snug feeling of the womb, which calms them down and helps them sleep better. This is especially important in those early months when everything is new and sometimes overwhelming for them. And who doesn't love a good sleep? Especially new parents. A well-rested baby means well-rested parents, and that can make all the difference in those first few months. Use a breathable, lightweight blanket and wrap it snugly, but not too tight, around their little legs. The material should be soft and gentle on their delicate skin. You want to leave some room for those adorable baby kicks. Babies love to move their legs, and it's important for their hip development. Remember, happy hips, happy baby. Ensuring their legs can move freely helps prevent hip dysplasia and keeps your baby comfortable. And hey, if you're worried about getting those folds just right, they make these amazing Velcro or zipper swaddles. They're like magic. These modern swaddles take the guesswork out of the process and make swaddling a breeze for even the most sleep-deprived parents. Next up, let's talk about those middle-of-the-night diaper changes. They can be quite the challenge, can't they? We've all been there, right? Half asleep, stumbling around in the dark, trying to keep your eyes open while your baby cries for a diaper change? Well, here's a tip. Create a little nighttime changing station right next to your bed. It can make those groggy moments a bit more manageable. It's like having your own little baby supply store. Everything you need is within arm's reach, making the process smoother and quicker. Just a small basket or caddy with diapers, wipes, and a change of clothes. You can even add a small blanket or burp cloth for those unexpected messes. That way, you don't have to turn on a million lights and wake up completely every time your little one needs a change. A dim nightlight can be a lifesaver here. Plus, it's way less likely you'll step on that stray Lego in the dark. Keeping the area tidy can save you from those painful surprises. We've all been there, right? Ouch! Those little toys can really hurt. So, a well-organized nighttime changing station can make a world of difference. With a bit of preparation, those nighttime changes can become a lot less stressful and a bit more manageable. Happy changing! Have you ever noticed how babies love those shushing sounds? It reminds them of being in the womb, all safe and sound. That's where white noise comes in. Think of it like a sound machine that plays gentle rain sounds, fan noises, or even just plain white noise. It helps drown out all those other little noises in the house so your baby can sleep soundly. Just remember to keep the volume low and the device a safe distance from their crib. We want them to sleep like angels, not rock stars at a concert. Diaper dilemmas? Size up. Okay, let's talk diapers. Specifically, those dreaded diaper blowouts. If you're noticing more leaks than usual, it might be time to size up, even if the diaper box says otherwise. It's like trying to fit into your skinny jeans after a holiday feast. Not always a good look. A bigger diaper might just be the ticket to a happier, drier baby. And trust me, a happy baby means a happy you. Burping champions. Burping. It's an art form, isn't it? But don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. There are a few different positions you can try: over the shoulder, sitting upright, or lying across your lap. Just gently pat or rub their back in an upward motion to help release any trapped air. And here's a little bonus tip. Taking short breaks during feedings can help minimize air intake, which means less burping later. Organized Chaos Baby Clothes Edition. Let's be honest, baby clothes are adorable, but they're also tiny and it can feel like you're constantly doing laundry. My tip? Organize those adorable outfits by size. Newborn, 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, you get the idea. That way, you can quickly grab what you need without having to search through a mountain of clothes. Plus, it's super satisfying to see everything so neat and tidy. It's like a little victory every time you open that drawer. When you're a new parent, finding time to cook a decent meal can feel like winning the lottery. My advice? Embrace the one-handed meal prep. Think sandwiches, wraps, pre-chopped fruit, anything you can easily eat with one hand while holding your little one. And don't be afraid to invest in some kitchen helpers, like a slow cooker or a pressure cooker. They're lifesavers when you're short on time. Let's be real, spit up is just a part of life with a newborn. It's like they have a secret talent for getting it on everything. My tip? Keep spit up cloths everywhere. Seriously, everywhere. Near the sofa, the bed, the changing table, the stroller, the car seat, you name it. That way, you're always prepared for those unexpected messes. And hey, if you run out of cloths, just grab a clean sock. No judgment here. Babies might not be able to tell time, but they thrive on routine. It doesn't have to be anything complicated, just a simple sequence of events that signals bedtime. A warm bath, a little lotion massage, a lullaby, whatever works for you and your little one. The key is to be consistent. It might take some time, but eventually, your baby will learn to associate these cues with sleep. And that, my friends, is a beautiful thing. Okay, this last tip is probably the most important one. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Parenting is a team sport, and there's no shame in admitting you can't do it all on your own. Whether it's your partner, your family, your friends, or even a professional, let them help. Let them bring you food, fold laundry, or just hold the baby for a while so you can take a shower. You deserve a break. There you have it, 10 newborn hacks to make those early weeks a little bit easier. Remember, you're doing great. Parenting is a wild ride, but it's also the most rewarding experience in the world. So, embrace the chaos, cherish those precious moments, and don't forget to laugh along the way. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your other new parent friends, because sharing is caring. Thanks for watching, and happy parenting.